another workshop and we're having so much fun. And today we decided to do it with fire. Yes, we're setting things alight. But a few tips. We got a lot of random stuff that we can set alight, things that are not perishable. So a lot of glass. The glass doesn't burn, it does burst though. So don't put liquid inside and then set it alight, because the little container will burst after a while. So that's maybe a little bit of a hazard. And we already had our first burn injury. But other than that, it's been great fun so far. We've got a very interesting product, very interesting product called Mystical Fire. I don't know if you can see that right over there. It gives the flame different colors, and we got excited every time we throw a little bit of magic, we called it, on there. So that makes the photograph very, very interesting. So, but yeah, we've got the first half done. We're gonna go munch something, and then we're back for the next session. Session and we're busy cleaning up. We had such a good time with this. We had so much fun and a few near explosions, but anyway, we survived. To see the photographs that we did, please follow our Instagram handles. I'll have that at the end. And if you want to keep up with any of our upcoming workshops, please subscribe. Also for giveaways that we're going to have in the future. So till next time, keep creating, and bye from every one of us.
Bye. Bye.